Bnawn ddoe yn y Neuadd Fwyd, mi eithon ni'r lolfa fusnes i'r o'r uwch ystafell lle mae'r rhwydweithio yn digwydd rhwng y cynhyrchwyr a'r prynwyr a dysgu lot fawr o wersi a dwi yma ar stondin Cywain eto heddiw yma efo Louise McNutt sy'n gweithio i Lywodraeth Cymru efo bwyd a diod. Mae'r ystadegau mae rhywun yn dysgu ar ôl bod mewn lle fel yna yn drawiadol dros ben.
Mae'n rhan bwysig o'r economi yng Nghymru. Mae diwydiant fwyd a diod werth 28 biliwn yng Nghymru. Mae yna 1 mewn 6 o bobl yn cael ei gyflogi yn y diwydiant fwyd a diod.
Ia, mae hwnna'n yn syfrdanol, oherwydd mae rhywun yn gweld stondin fel hyn a gweld rhywun person neu ddau. Ydych chi'n meddwl mae rhywbeth bychan ydi o? Mae yna lot o bobl tu nôl yn does?
Oes. Ac yn fyma, un neu ddau person ydi o weithiau pan maen nhw'n cychwyn off, ond wedyn, ydych chi'n sbio ar y dyfodol, a sbio rownd y neuadd yma, mae yna
tyfu a
mwy a mwy o bobl yn y busnes yma.
Felly, pwy sy'n cychwyn yma heddiw yma, Louise?
So heddiw, mae gennym ni Eco Foods. Maen nhw'n gwneud bars. Mae gennym ni Ben ag Elin. So maen nhw'n dilfynu o Gaerdydd efo'i protein bars.
Okay, so tell me about your protein bars, Ellen. How did it start?
So this is Echo, yeah, we're Ellen and Ben, and it was basically solving a problem we had. We just wanted a healthy snack bar that had completely clean ingredients. So yeah, that's how we came up with it, and it's just got 6 and 7 ingredients and nutritionally packed.
And somebody, Ben's been very busy doing some art
Yeah,
work
we've done a little art project, sticking all the ingredients on. We think it's the best way to show the uniqueness of the product is just, this is all the ingredients that go into there. So their bars are just nutritionally balanced, nothing else processed.
So you have two different bars, Ellen, yeah?
Yeah, so cacao orange almond and then cacao salted peanut.
And the other one?
And that's the
the salted peanut, yeah.
We started about 18 months ago, selling them at a local market, and then we scaled up my parents' kitchen in August last year, and then 2 months ago we just launched with a manufacturer. So fairly organic growth over time, but yeah, it's all moving in the right direction.
So when you set off, did you expect to be stood behind a stall here in the Royal Welsh Show?
No, not really. We just started making it in our kitchen, selling it at local markets, and yeah, here we are. It's good fun.
So what are your hopes today then?
Well,
Lots of sales.
yeah, hopefully.
Well, apart from that, but it's interesting to meet the customers.
It's just good to get like feedback,
Yeah.
speak to customers, make a few sales, speak to potential buyers as well. And it's interesting the people you don't expect to meet and the conversations you don't expect to have. So, yeah.
Okay, well, all the best. Have a great day. Gwych yn da, ie. So dyna ni, Eco Real Food Bars yn fanna. Pwy sy'n gyda ni nesaf, Louise?
So mae Epicurean chocolatiers. So mae Rosie a'i gŵr Robin. Mae Robin yn pastry chef, di gweithio mewn rhai o'r hotels really fancy yn Llundain.
O, dio.
A maen nhw wedi symud nôl i Bala ac wedi cychwyn busnes chocolate yn y Bala.
Ardderchog. Hi, Rosie. Ti'n iawn?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Where's Robin today then?
He's walking the baby around the show.
You've got a lot on your hands, haven't you?
Yeah, taking it in turns today.
So tell me about your business then. It's a great name, Epicurean Chocolatiers.
Yeah.
Where did that idea come from?
Robin came up with that name. Epicureanism is like an ancient Greek philosophy about indulging in food. So we did that with chocolate.
Ardderchog. So where did the business start then? What was the first thing you created?
Well, the first thing was our milk and white chocolate collection, which we haven't got today. We did that for Christmas, and we started in November last year.
And are they all made by hand?
Yeah, all handmade.
Beautiful.
By us, yeah.
So what's the market? Where are you aiming for?
Well, online sales. We want to get our website.
Have you got a website?
Good. Yeah, we've got it now. So that's where we want most of our sales to be from, and we do some markets, and eventually we want to get into some high-end shops in London.
Take me through what you've got in the jars there.
So in the jars we've got dark chocolate covered shortbread, orangettes and lemonettes, Welsh sea salted caramels, an almond spread, pistachio and white chocolate spread, rhubarb and Welsh sparkling wine jam, orange and Welsh whiskey marmalade, strawberry jam, Welsh sea salt and tonka caramel spread, and nougat.
And what's your favourite of these chocolates? Which one?
At the moment, this orange and pecan chocolate is my favourite.
I don't know how you work with all this chocolate. It must be very tempting.
It is tricky.
Yes, I guess so. So Epicurean Chocolatiers o'r Bala. All the best today.
Thank you.
I hope you sell well.
Thank you.
A diolch yn fawr iawn. Can I have a little taste?
Yeah, of course.
Beth ydi hwn? What's this one then?
That's the dark chocolate and cardamom, which is that one there.
Da iawn. Bwyd iach iawn ar stondin cywain heddiw, Louise, yn does?
Oes.
Chocolate tywyll yn dda i ti,
Oes, yndi.
Melting in my mouth, arferchog. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Pob lwc heddiw.